Welcome, family. This is our new home.
Do you like it, girls? This place is great, Mom.
The triplets seem happy, which means the parents are happy too. Girls, you take a look around. Daddy and I have to go out. The triplets are so smart. You can always count on them. Wait, where are the repairs and furniture? The parents promised us a new room, and this place is a total mess. Yeah, the parents obviously overdid it with the new house. But there's still a way out. Don't panic, girls. We're going to fix this place up ourselves. And you can look up design ideas on the internet. What do you think of this project? It looks great. Let's get started right away. And the young builders are very lucky. There's a lot of building materials. And let's start with the most important. Let's make the frame for the triple bunk bed. And that's where Dad's sawing lessons come in handy. Lucy and Megan will be putting the frame together. They have to remember not to cut off too much. A tape measure will always come in handy at a construction site. The girls are working hard. They're natural-born builders. This is what it means to be a real team. Hold this, Lucy. Come on, sis. We're gonna set this up here, and this picture should go here. Those three sisters are so different. That's a tough one, but it looks like nobody got hurt. The frame of the sleeping area is ready, so let's set up the first floor. And we're gonna need these pallets. We've got these big benches. Come quick, girls, we need to talk. We'll have a mini living room on the first floor. Good thinking, Polly. Where do we start? Let's make a table for our best student, Megan. The base is already there. It just needs to be painted. It should be pink. Get to work, girls. You can do your homework and have tea parties at this table. Beautiful and practical. And now let's design the beds. Some plywood, a hammer, and nails. That's all you need. The triplets have almost everything ready. And now, let's test our smart bed. Yay! The mechanism works. And let's move to the second floor. Let's start by fixing these beams. Well done, Megan. Way to go. But don't relax yet. There was still a third floor in the project. Lucy and Polly will do everything now. Good thing the new house had those mattresses. They couldn't do it without them. You can sleep on these beds now. In the meantime, Megan will do the table decorations. She's doing great. But the sisters have better things to do. They are designing a budget elevator for Lucy. Chest design with masking tape? That's an original idea. And the metal pipe is already in place. All that's left is to fix it. Woohoo! Climbing to the third floor is a real adventure. I'm already up there. Lucy, there you are. Hi! But there's still a lot of work to do. Moving on. These benches are awfully uncomfortable, aren't they? Lucy, they need a little softening. Follow me. And you can't have too many pillows. It's much more comfortable this way. And Megan already has a chess table ready. It looks wonderful. How about a game of chess, girls? Oh, that's great. Let's take a break and play. And Polly plays white. Chess is a serious game. The tension is off the charts. Nerves on edge. Who's gonna win this fight? And nobody can beat Megan at chess. Checkmate, sister. Okay, no more mind games. Time to get busy. Let's paint our bed and let everyone choose their own design. Megan will have a white space. Polly will have a pink one. Lucy, on the other hand, chooses black. The work is in full swing. Lucy has already begun her daring design. And on the first floor, tenderness rules. But that white wall seems a little boring, doesn't it? That's exactly what's missing here. Let's fix it with bolts, just to be sure. Now we can draw on the board. And Polly can use this ladder. Now it's so easy to get up to the second floor. Come on, Lucy, pull! Here comes the fabulous decor. The room will now look completely different. Oh, it's so late. The bed sheets, that's what's missing. Good night, girls. That's right, it's been a very busy day. It's time to get some sleep. Folding our game table. Lowering the bed, and it's ready. Sweet dreams, sister. Here's your blanket. And I'm going to my place. The triplets did a good job today. But the work will continue in the morning. Not everything is ready yet. The first floor is dedicated to science. It's so cozy here now. Megan knows her way around a scientific interior. Knowledge comes first, and the second floor lacks cuteness. Let's add those pink curtains and more glitter. And we'll hang our biggest idols on the wall. And let these shiny hearts complete the interior. The result is pink, soft, and fluffy. And the third floor will be a dark kingdom, just like Lucy likes it. But a little light wouldn't hurt, though. Those black garlands fit the design perfectly. And a couple little things for harmony. It came out just right. Come on down, girls. We're having a tea party. What a great idea for breakfast. We're on our way. Enjoy, girls. Delicious. You're a miracle worker, Megan. Girls, we have some homework to do after breakfast. Ready? Of course, sis. Get your books out. Megan is incorrigible. She just wants to learn, but it's so boring. Polly, why don't we run away? I'd love to, Lucy. Alas, all the students have left. Hey, wait for me! Why not stop by for a visit on the second floor? It's so nice up here. These are presents for you, girls. Try them on. And now the fun part. Let's do our makeup. Polly is good at it. Even Megan will forget about her studies now. Do you like it, sis? Oh my goodness! That's even interesting, though. Thank you, girls. Now how about a visit to the third floor? Cheeky Lucy has so much fun here. And let's start with the console. Come on, girls, you can do it. Come on! And it's a tie. The third floor is the fun zone. How do you share a toy? We'll fight over it, of course. Oops, it flew away. But Megan will make sure everything's in order. It's an interesting game. Get in the basket. I wonder who will win, Lucy or Polly? Girls, here are your shells. And we start the game. It's so hot. And Lucy has the first point. But Polly won't give up so easily. One more try. It's no use. Lucy is the best at it. We have a winner. And she deserves a special award. This one's for you, sis, for amazing marksmanship. But there will be consolation prizes, too. Polly didn't try so hard for nothing. Let's take a little break from the games and have a snack. Megan is on a technical break. Who's eating the goodies? Do share, Megan. Sure, Lucy. Help yourself. But you can't reach the third floor that easily. What to do? We need a mini elevator right away. It couldn't be easier. Let's attach it to the bed. Reliability is paramount. And then we build a basket. Catch this, Megan. The elevator is already in place. We need to prepare a tasty package for sis. Done. Pull, Lucy. Oh, yes. The goodies are already in place. The elevator is a very useful thing. Hey, Lucy, I want cakes too. If you don't want to share your sweets, come up with a fun prank. Catch this, Polly, and enjoy it. A slime. Classic Lucy. Thanks a lot, sis. The prank was a success. The parents are finally back. Girls, how did you come up with that? It looks great. You can count on the triplets. They made a 3-story palace out of a ruined room. Girls, we have a surprise for you. You're going to be so excited. Meet your new sister, Cindy. The news is awesome. They'll need to build a 4th bed, but the triplets will surely make it.